Quand viennent pleurer tes soirs de solitude.
Hey honey, why you come home so early? Oh, that's so sweet. Donne-moi le salon, on va finir.
Tu ressens chaque jour l'ennui qui se lève. Ton cœur t'avait promis la lune. Il a la fièvre qui peut grandir sans dire je t'aime et tout changer dans ses veines, qui peut retrouver les gestes et tout l'amour qui...
So, I'm surprised to come home this early. I'm so happy.
I'm always happy when I'm with you, baby. Qui sont pour ce café nous pas ensemble?
Si ma prendre, on va tromper?
Et si c'est dit au vidéo, qui sont fait?
Mais les investigations vont compter, c'est vrai.
Pourquoi ne moi mon pile?
Ou quoi ça?
100% yes, baby.
Moi, I'm too. Just make me feel that love is good. I had a relationship before, but this is way different. I can tell that I love him more than anyone can tell me to stop loving him.
Babe, si pas désister, en vérité, moi t'as converti. Vous faites me sentir bien. Vous avez si belle couleur naturelle. À chaque fois que je regarde, vous faites me penser à café au lait. Vous c'est celle fille qui marque l'existence moi. I will always love you, baby.
I love you more, babe. Jeff changed my life completely. I don't know what I can do. I am supposed to give him more than my life now. He can have my life, no problem.
Certainement, moi je vais changer la vie. Il y a deux filles au pluriel parmi nous. Il y a un vrai garçon, supposé gagner un seul fille.
Baby, qui sont voulez manger jeudi?
Ne pas se gagner, chérie.
Baby, please, dis-moi, parce qu'à présent, je veux faire tout ça, madame.
Ah, sois bien, chérie, ma pointe, je obligé.
Okay, how about a Dia Jojo?
Oh, that would be nice.
You like that?
Yes, chérie.
Baby, I'm sorry for everything that I said before. I didn't mean to say that.
It's okay, no.
Thank you. So far, I feel so good.
I'm so happy for my life because God bless me.
Get out my face, Petit.
Are you okay? You know what? I'm getting tired of this. We gotta talk. Now me kone, pour qui ça ou tu vas te vagabond?
Because you are, obviously.
So kone on va se vagabond? Pour qui ça quand tu vas pas une importance qui va servir nous rien?
That's what you think, Eugenie.
Non toujours une pas vrai. Ou te dis tu vas lui. So pas pour que ce konya, ou na avec nous je vais ça en commun.
Because I can't forget about them. And I don't know what the hell you're gonna tell me to make me forget about them, Eugenie.
Comment c'est bien mal konya parce que même l'autre jour dans l'habitat de commencer à faire bon petit femme. Peut-être aux hommes de faire ça lui, ou puis t'as fâché, ou boudé, ou commencer à poser une question. Oh, qui a fait comme ça? Qui a fait venir là, avec combien de monde vient là déjà? Ça va faire sens, même.
Eugenie, let me ask you this. Why do you have so many girlfriends?
Why do you have so many girlfriends? Ma comprends, soit là.
Tandila, Eugenie. Tandila, okay. There's a lot of things about you that you don't think I know, but I know.
So name.
Sam Kondeo? Okay, well, I get up on it. Last time, I was on your Facebook page. Yes, your Facebook page. And most of your friends are girls, Eugenie. Give me your Facebook password.
Facebook password.
Yes, your Facebook password.
Money, somebody fait là-dedans.
Because most of your friends are girls. I want to know why.
Magasin de filles.
Oh my God, you're so cute. Eugenie, don't you feel embarrassed sometimes?
Feel embarrassed for what?
Because everyone goes, and girls always coming up to you and say, hi, Eugenie. Hi, Eugenie. Don't you have any guys friend, Eugenie?
I do have guys, but you just don't know them.
Oh, could you have a mati Eugenie?
Mati pour qui ça?
What about mati Eugenie? Oh, okay.
Oui, je suis pas monsieur. De mon cas, vous passez. Si fidélité va exister, il a son bacard. En pile fois, il y a des gens qui pensent qu'ils le connaissent plus que c'est pas vrai. Ma mère seulement, il passe pour le fille. Est-ce que les filles fille, il va jamais faire ça. Qui ça me fait me faire connaître que c'est le bien? Il se la prend. Il sont non pour mes filles. Ah, c'est lui, il ne pas chercher. Non, c'est ça pour nous qui t'a donné ce famille.
Believe that?
C'est juste un peu de détail.
I don't trust any man because they never honest. Can you imagine with somebody that I even think about later on how society would judge you? Like, I think I'm gonna stay single forever.
Eugenie, let me ask you this. For how long are we going to be in this relationship? Back up. Since we didn't formulate my formulate pool. For how long are we going to be in this relationship right here? What we're doing right now?
Really? How long are we going to be together? Pourquoi vous parlez? Je vais prendre le jour où on a défini tout ça. I already know what you want to do.
Jimmy, I always taught you a nice very well and put it in your head. Put it in your head, Eugenie.
Oh my God, what do you want me to do now? So I didn't fail him. Jim.
I can't tell you what to do. You know damn well what to do. You're not a little boy anymore, Eugenie. You know damn well what to do. I remember the first time you were trying to get to me, you tell me, oh, the sweetest thing in the world. And now, oh, that was the past. And now you acting like you don't know nothing. You don't know what to do, huh? Oh my God, I can't believe this. You know what? I'm done with this conversation. I'm done.
Honestly, she drives me crazy with all these questions. Like, I'm trying to do my best to show her that she didn't really want that happen. What does she want me to do? What can I do to make her mind more relaxed about me? I don't really like when she worries about my friend and question what I'm doing. This is too much. I love this girl. But if she continues to act like this, I don't know how long we're going to get.
Eugenie acting like I'm the crazy one here because I'm asking him all this question. Like, I never loved anybody like that before. But for Eugenie, I'll open my heart and love him. I just hope that he don't mess this up for both of us because I really love him.
Everyone is looking for a good relationship. But most of the guys, they don't believe in having one girl anymore. Sometimes I stay quiet and ask myself, what does love mean? And in what way am I supposed to find love? Where does love stay? Do I have a good boyfriend? I don't know.
A moment ago it seemed it was yesterday. You were here with me, and everything seems to be the same. What am I supposed to do with all these empty rooms? Sit here in solitude with the smell of your perfume. You never took the time to know me. You never took the time to understand. You never took the time to know me. Just loving you is all I ever had. Still loving you is all I ever had. This wasn't what I wanted to be, a man in misery. Girl, I look back 1,000 times and can't believe that you left me.
Eh ben, comment est? Ça qu'on fait plaisir de ça chez.
Ça, mes chéris, comment faire besoin? Tu peux te parler. Allez, on va partir.
Where have you been?
Est-ce que moi tu as un bâton de bain en base de monsieur?
No.
Est-ce que tu tout ça?
No, you did not.
Ça tombe, ça me donne un rêve.
Não não leve, não tá também?
Yeah.
Punho como um macaco.
Parce que moi les beaux moi do m'a sorti un petit monsieur.
What's the date today?
Ça va être ça.
Anthony?
Oh! Today's your birthday.
My birthday. Today is our anniversary.
My God.
Are you serious? No. I'm not gonna.
I'm sorry.
Why you always have to play with my feelings?
I'm sorry.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry.
Since the first time I met you and dismissed you, you can tell that I take time to find with you. But afterward, everything started to change. You start to treat me really bad. You won't text me anymore. When text you, you only call you when you want to. It's really hard for me. One thing I know, I still love you like I did before. Look at the way Swagger spoke. Why can't he stay like this forever? I'll be so happy because you mean so much to me.
I didn't realize that so. I want to ask you this. Can you tell me everything you like? I want to tell you my life, baby.
Yeah, please.
Baby.
I'm so excited because this is the first time I'm so happy like that. I got my man back just like the first time I saw him. Look. Moi, je veux couper le corps même. Moi, ça c'est pour caresser. Moi, je veux caresser tout le temps. Go to the movie every week. Go to the beach every month. Never refuse anything. Any question from you?
The reason why I saw this is because I got you more than a media things. I love you, baby.
Wow, mon Dieu. Pourquoi c'est pas rêvé ma prévée? Si jamais c'est non rêve moi c'est rêve ça réalité.
Man, I know she still don't believe in me, but I know she will see me a different person.
Because of you, now I'm just a lonely man.
Hey, yo, Gucci, I see you. Johnny West, women side, big side man. Yeah. Super big Versace, when to put go at this. So why you can spend a lot of work on this? Super big when I spend a work on this. If you want for back pages, you put go at this. If you want to go and spend to put go at this.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, I'm good, and you?
I'm okay. My name is Daswin.
My name is Lindy.
I'm so sick of family and asking more about Sotsi.
No, it's okay.
It's okay? So, we pay on some days, yeah? So, we're from where?
Yeah, c'est là ma vie.
Là, vraiment? Wow. Tony. Well, yeah.
Merci.
Ça va pas problème si vous prenez le téléphone?
Non, pas quoi ça, pas de problème, non?
So, what's your number?
786.
Hold on.
786. 444.
Okay.
5603.
Blanca, right?
Yeah.
Wow, so thank you. Dial in number there, some of you are good. Thank you.
If you want for back pages, you put go at this. If you want to go and spend, you put go at this. All the design niggas, you put.
Martine, chérie, ça va? Martine, chérie, ça va?
Oui, ça va.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Bien?
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Rien.
Ah, dis-moi, pense des bails qui passent.
Quoi, dis pas que tu fais, je ne comprends pas.
Tu ne comprends pas? Why you acting like that?
I'm doing.
Okay, don't worry. You okay?
What do you mean I'm okay? If somebody told you I'm okay, boy, I'm not.
Wow. Okay, talk to me. What's going on?
Jameson, on ne veut pas avoir toute la vérité, moi, pour qu'elle souffre.
So again.
I hate when you talk like that. You reacting like nothing happened.
Talk to me. What's going on, man?
Ouais, mais un monde qui parle moi, ça c'est un gros problème. Est-ce qu'elle est toujours la même? Qui je me fait connaître si elle est toujours la même? Est-ce que je n'ai pas dit qu'à moi comme si elle parle même vrai? Le mensonge est vrai. On peut respecter, on peut plaisir à fille, ou toujours en téléphone, ou toujours à texte, téléphone en privé. You know what, Jameson, c'est moi qui fais.
Comment ça?
Le destin a choisi autrement.
Qui va regarder le destin choisi autrement? Qui s'en prend là? Il y a des décisions de prendre.
I have nothing else. I can't. I have to let it go.
Okay. Are you deciding to let it go or do you want audition to be all there? Mais ça c'est vraiment mêlé. Parce que Martin sérieux. Puis ça pour nous faire pour changer de mentalité. C'est la femme de ma vie. Que dois-je faire? Come. Fini. Tu sais que je t'aime pas, vrai? Je suis désolé. Ça va plus faire d'accord, ok? Ah, même encore. Yes, darling, I still love you. Baby, ça n'a fait vous voir ça.
Baby, I'm coming to Brazil. What you think?
Ah, mon dame est allé en Haïti vite.
Papi, a di deje nou sot Haïti ou vle tourner bak encore? Dan nou fon lot découverte moi-même.
Pas même mal fatigué, qui je vois te communiquer.
Ou vop la, pale avon sou ka bon an chachman. Pale pa bien pour tomber.
D'accord, by the way.
Mes amis, mesdames, après moi, quand on dit garçon, on va net.
Mati.
Kounya là, quand on joue avec l'examen, pas de dans sorti la caméra, m'a porté dans la machine, on va aller dans le store devant. Pourquoi tu vas nous donner moi? Hey, bon bagay net, là tout ça. On dit garçon cute. Oui, il fine too.
Okay, there.
Hey, c'est pour te même pour un ex à vous.
Oui papa, tout le monde qui est bon Dieu pour elle.
Ça, et bah bon Dieu pour elle, non gagner c'est ça.
C'est toujours facile. Un garçon d'amour, une fille qui pas d'amour. On s'en tout, c'est facile. Une fille d'amour, un garçon qui pas d'amour. Est-ce que l'amour sont gentil comme lui ou bien son sentiment sacré? I don't know.
A moment ago it seemed it was yesterday. You were here with me.
Chérie, on va continuer parler ensemble avec
and everything seems to be the
moi. Remarquez ça fait plus que 2 semaines. Attitude de changer. Moi j'ai un problème. Pour expliquer ma façon de penser.
Nah, everything seems so different for me now. I don't know what to do.
Why?
It's so hard for me to understand our relationship.
Wow. Really? Why is that so different?
I don't know. I'm so confused about my life now. I almost lost my mind when I'm thinking about it. Every time I think about our relationship, I cry because I can't keep my heart. Ever since I was a little girl, I always told myself I don't want to pass no more than one man. But now, I don't know where my life is going. Jesus, please.
Hey, you don't need to worry about us. Moi j'aime. En plus l'action pas gain doit faire pour qu'il pas aimer. Et pourtant, moi j'aime avec tout cœur. Surtout quand le week-end, t'as pas nous écrit en grand lettre.
Why don't you show me you love me the way you just explain it to me now? Pas oublier, action gain plus importance que ça va dire. Le cas veut bien, mais c'est si ou bien volonté. I never change. I'm still the same like before, and you know that.
It's true. Pour qui ça avance pas belle les hommes pour voir ou les penser yon avec l'autre. Peut-être il pas penser j'en la penser là. Il pas pour moi-même tout bon. Et c'est ça qui m'a pris. Ça me to be honest, I love you.
Étant donné les dîmes qu'elle remet à tout cœur, on peut voir si c'est vrai. Parce que mon qui vraiment aime a fait n'importe quoi de vous. Now, c'est le moment pour qu'on connaisse toute vérité. Yes, this is what I want you to do for me. I want you to text me when you're at work. Call me when you're on break. Go to every game with me. I want you everywhere that I am. And I want you to make love to me every night.
Oh! This is the same problem that happened with my ex Lisha. Samilu made me feel like she wanna change me. Now, this is the moment to give her my heart. I will do everything you said.
If I had a moment, I got to that moment, you would be right here next to me. If I had the secret to your love,
waiting to see you all day.
Me too.
I got you.
You did?
Yes.
It's beautiful.
Lady, what are you doing here? Why do you look so sad? What's wrong?
I don't know how I got like this.
For real?
Yes, I do.
Is that why you look so sad like this?
En plus, je pense à vous.
What pense avec? Oubliez qui est-ce, yeah?
Well, mon qui est là.
Well, Lady bagon nou vraiment bad.
Vous confirmez ça ou imagination qu'a parlé?
Tout le monde dit même bagarre là tout côté. Lady pense pas en réalité qui est dehors. Even if it's true, I don't care. You still bagarre moi connais? Avant moi ensemble avec. Maman de changer un pile bagarre la caille. S'il pas vraiment pas. Lady, what do you want from me? I know exactly you're not looking for a relationship. You just want to abuse my heart. Is that what you want?
Why you say all this? That's what you think? Why don't you say you can be my wife? Is that impossible?
Lady, I'm gonna tell you that like this. If you don't want me, just leave me. Don't make me believe in you and then you leave. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand. Well, I'm sorry about your imagination. But one thing that I know, I love you. It is a reality. Forgive me if I say that I love you.
Stop lying. Are you sure?
Yes.
Can I trust him or not? He turned my mind so negative. I really want to give him my heart, but I'm scared. I don't want him to hurt me. What should I do?
Pas si j'aime la place de notre garçon. Si un garçon te blessé, ça va vite dire mon café de mer. Je comprends pas quel autre garçon. Parce que c'est un garçon qui c'est bon qui est facile pour une fille faire un deuxième garçon confiance alors qu'elle te capable d'avoir un premier garçon dans le déjà. Mais habillé, la vie son espace obligé. Ça pour aujourd'hui va dire ça pour aujourd'hui demain. Pas jamais juger l'amour pour criminel si alors que tu es d'amour un monde qui va même connaître potentiel. Parce que ça qui arrive, it's life. Mais jour au croisé, nous qui aimons là, la faire sentir ça et on vivre ça. Pas jamais dire son échec même si tu as fait erreur. La vie son combat sans arrêt, continue à tout le temps dans la vie. Follow your heart, life goes on.
Baby, got him bien. Are you sure you love me?
Yes, I'm scared.
Pourquoi ça même avec you? Parlons pour choper de choisir si après vous décidez ouvrir cœur par elle? 1 week later, everything changed. Senior, please help me. Baby, I have to go.
Papa, laisse son bâtiment.
I heard you, Libby. I will think about it.
Oh, really?
I don't have nothing to say now. Sorry.
Can you tell me something, please?
I'm sorry. Can somebody help me, please? I like him, but I don't believe in love anymore.
Pour qui ça c'est mon barrement qui toujours aimé et mon aimé souvent barrement. L'amour dit qui est souillé. Ça peut être ça c'est tout. Et on temps pour chaque chose. N'a pas la foi.
What up, baby? What was it before?
I'm waiting to see you all day.
Me too.
So pa mek fè santi mwen tou pou kou atis. So pa gen espen nan la li pou kou atis. So pa tan kou mwen aspen nou pou kou atis. Pou kou atis, mwen tou pou kou atis. If you want for back digits, you pou kou atis. If you want your foreigns, mwen tou pou kou atis.